guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a hair mask with home remedies. If you're like me, if you like to do everything with natural ingredients, please keep on watching.
In a pan, I'm going to pour some sesame oil. Make sure it's on a low flame. Sesame oil is popularly used for hair growth and to maintain scalp health. Sesame oil for hair growth is a top choice in Ayurveda due to its high penetration capability, which stimulates hair follicles. This deep nourishment can undo any chemical damage to the hair. Now I'm going to add fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is a natural solution to dandruff. It is effective in combating hair fall by strengthening and nourishing the hair root. It conditions the hair naturally and improves the texture of your hair. Finally, I'm going to add some curry leaves. This is a well-known ingredient for treating damaged hair. It reduces hair fall and thinning, and it also prevents premature hair graying.
So once the oil cools down, I like to pour them into this small bottle. The lid has a small hole, so it's easy to apply it straight onto the scalp. So I'll show you how I do it. So I like to part my hair first. I'm going to clip it away. So I just like to apply it straight onto the scalp and then massage it in. I apply this oil once every week. I normally apply it and keep it for at least 24 hours. With herbal ingredients, guys, it will take time for you to see a difference, but it will work. So be patient, continue to do it for at least 3 months and you will see a big difference. And I would like to mention something. Some of you guys might think I'm stupid, but you know when you straighten or curl your hair, most people they use heat protection spray. I've never used it in my life. Like, I don't believe in it. I personally feel like it will do more harm than any good. I might be wrong. All this time that I've straightened my hair, blow dried it, curled it, I've never used anything on my hair. I do use a finishing spray to keep the curls. So the Tresemme Hair Extra Hold spray, that's the only one that I used. Apart from that, I've never used anything else. Again, this might sound so stupid, but I don't want to do something that I don't believe in, so I've never done it. But yeah, this is how I see it. They claim that spraying your hair with the heat protection hairspray before curling it or straightening it is going to prevent from damaging. Like, I don't know how that works. So how I see it is, so if I spray my fingers with the heat protection spray, use the curling wand or straightening wand onto my finger, will that not burn me? Obviously it is going to burn me, right? And obviously I'm going to feel the heat. So how is that different to the hair? Like, how will it not affect your hair? I honestly don't know. Like, again, I might be wrong. So considering that I've never used any of the protection sprays or any of the ready-made hair mask, and I straighten my hair, curl my hair every week, at least minimum once, and I still got this much hair, it's only because of this oil. So please tell me if I'm wrong about this whole heat protection sprays. Let me know in the comment down below. I'll be looking forward to reading all the comments. So now I've applied it all over my head. Once I've got this hair mask on, my head feels so much cooler, if you know what I mean. I just like to massage this for 5 minutes. I wasn't planning to record this, guys. I was just gonna do a hair mask and I thought, why not record it and show you guys what I do. So now I've massaged it into my hair, so I'm just going to put this into a bun and I'm going to leave this on for at least 6 to 8 hours. Sometimes I go to sleep with it, but I don't have time today, so I'm just going to leave it for 6 to 8 hours and I'll show you my second mask. So now it's been about a few hours, so I'm going to apply my second mask. For this mask, you're just going to need some yogurt and half a lime or lemon, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to take 2 spoons of yogurt and I'm going to squeeze this lime. Yogurt is full of protein and helps to nourish your hair to grow strong and healthy. It has lactic acid, which helps to cleanse the scalp. So that's enough for me. And the reason I like to apply add lemon or lime is because it helps to prevent from dandruff. So now I'm just going to mix this with a spoon, or you can use your fingers. Now I'm going to take this bun out. And again, I like to part my hair and apply this onto my scalp. I just take some with my fingers and apply it directly to the scalp. This is very cooling, guys. I only leave this mask on for 1 hour. So this is a messy job, so wear something that you can easily take off. Mine, I can just zip it down and take it off the shoulder. So back in the days, I used to have long hair, like really long. My parents used to never let me cut my hair. Until my GCSEs, I've always had long hair, and my mom is the one who got me into the habit of doing all this hair mask, and I'm so thankful to her, because I have few friends who doesn't have much hair, and every time I do a nice hairstyle or curl my hair or do some sort of hairstyles, they always mention and they say, oh, you're really lucky, this and that. So I really I do feel sorry for them, but I always tell them my hair mask. So I'm so thankful to my mom for showing me this mask. So I'm going to leave this mask for at least 1 hour and I'll wash it off, but it's completely up to you. You can leave it for longer than that. The longer you keep it, the better results you'll see. If you've got any problems with hair loss, dandruff issues, or hair dryness, or anything else, definitely try this mask out. I can guarantee you it will work. But obviously you're not going to see a difference straight away. You need to use it for at least 3 to 4 months, because at the end of the day we're doing it naturally with home ingredients and natural ingredients. So it's going to take time, but it will work. So be patient and just carry on doing it for a few months and you will see a big difference. I'm going to leave this on for 1 hour and I'm going to wash it off. I'm not going to come back and show you how it looks because I've been doing this mask for many years, so you're not going to see a difference in camera anyways. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.